My name is Ryan Gabrielson, and I'm a reporter at ProPublica. Metro confirms that they've known about problems with field tests from the beginning. It's part of their chemistry education. But in 2014, they produced a report saying, we're finding false positives in methamphetamine and cocaine, and we need to stop using those field tests. The cocaine and methamphetamine field tests need to be replaced with something more reliable. They've submitted that study to the federal government, which had funded it, and it's posted online. And I stumbled across it in 2015 and found, wow, this is a crime lab that says we need to change it out. And when I started checking out what Vegas had done after, they actually had gone the opposite direction. They expanded the use of field tests to add heroin to the regimen. So the science behind field tests it's really early chemistry. It's about 200 years old, and for the past 50 years or so, it's been known that you can't use it to identify any substance. You can't say, I don't know what this powder is, let's put it in a field test, and that result isn't definitive. That result could mean it's that substance, it could be cocaine, or it could be 80 other things. This is a test that's used for methamphetamine in Las Vegas, or suspected methamphetamine. You'll see this is the end color reaction after breaking 3 different little vials inside and mixing 3 different chemicals. And it on its own creates a dark reddish purple that officers often mistake for blue. And some of these field tests actually even say purple is positive, even though the tests themselves turn purple automatically. So this is the cocaine field test. And it has 3 different steps and 3 different chemicals in it, and the officers don't just make one color judgment, they have to make 3. There are many substances that produce the exact same reaction that are not cocaine. There are migraine medicines, lidocaine, like I said, will often, especially on the 3rd step, produce the pink over blue. And then there's also just human error. Human beings have all kinds of biases that are baked into our assessments of things. And by the time the officers are performing these tests, most of the time they've already arrested them. They've already detained the person. The person might be sitting in a jail cell already. And the pressure internally to support the thing that you've already done is significant. It's not that they're lying, it's that we assess things and see things in a way that supports our own judgments.
Is there a feasible solution in the near future that Metro could implement?
They could lab test all drug evidence in criminal cases.
They're not currently?
By no means. And after people plead guilty, which happen at preliminary hearings, the drug evidence is destroyed. Wrongful convictions on a level we don't know, because the Las Vegas Crime Lab does not retest the field test results after somebody pleads guilty. And more than 2/3 of cases are ended by guilty plea at the first hearing. So the vast majority of drug evidence in Las Vegas never gets tested. This field tests never get rechecked, even though they're known to produce false positives.